Peace and blessings of Almighty be on all of you. Dear students, we are going to discuss one of the important questions from the chapter Relations and Functions. Relations and Functions is very important chapter in the case of 12th standard mathematics. We can read the question. The question is that let R be the relation on the set A, defined as the relation x comma y such that y is equal to 2x minus 1. This is the given part of the question. And we have to find two sub-questions. The question number 1, the relation R represent in roster form and find its domain and range. So we are going to consider what is the relation here. The relation set R is equal to x comma y. There is a relation in between the elements x and y. How it is related? It is given as an equation y is equal to 2x minus 1. This relation is happening in the set A. What is the elements in the set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, we have to understand what is the relation which is happening in the set A. That can be understood by selecting the values 1 as x as 1. So we can find y is equal to 2x. Instead of x we are giving 1. What will be the answer? 2 into 1 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. The same number 1 is occurred in the set A. So in roster form, when we represent as it is in x comma y, what is the value of x we selected? 1. At the time the answer also 1. So 1 comma 1 is an element. Now select the second element 2 as x. Instead of this x we are giving here 2. So what will be the answer? 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So when we select 2, the answer is 3. Similarly, when we give x as 3, in the place of x we are giving 3. So what will happen? Here 3 will come. So 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. So here onwards we can understand that as we give the number here, we get the odd numbers. Here we go to 1, here 3. So next number is 5. So when we give 4, next odd number will be getting. What is the next odd number? 7. No need to find that. 7 also occurring here? No. Such cases it will not be written because the domain and range. What is the domain and what is the range? Domain means the first element. The first element is 1, 2, 3. These are the domain. So we are writing the domain 1, 2, 3. And range. What is the range? Range is the y values. Here y values 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. This is the set of range. One more topic is there, codomain. But it is not asked here. If it is asking the set of codomain, codomain means the set itself. The set which we considered for this relation, set A. These all elements are including it will be known as codomain. Now the question once again we can read, write R in roster form. So this is the roster form of the given question. And find its domain. Domain means the x values. That means here x1, here 2, here 3. So 1, 2, 3 is the domain. Why did not select here next number 4? When we give here 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 1, 7. But 7 is not existing in the given set. This relation is always existing in the set. So that will not be selected. Range means the y values 1, 3, 5. These are the elements in the range. So this is the first part of the question. And second part of the question, this relation R is an equivalence relation or not. So we are going to check that. The word equivalence, which includes 3 relations. If these 3 relations together, we can call it is equivalence relation. First one, reflexive relation. Second one, symmetric. And third one, transitive. These three relations are satisfying in the set A according to this relation, then we can say it is equivalence relation. So these relations are satisfying, it will be known as equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. So we are going to check the first relation, the reflexive relation. First we can write the result once again in a roster form. R is equal to, we got the answer 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 7. 7 is not coming here, so the relation includes only 3 elements. Now, what is a reflexive relation? When we select the x value, same answer is getting, it is reflexive. Here 1, 1 is there. Here 2 is there. Such cases 2, 2 also required to exist in the set R. But in this relation 2, 2 does not exist. It is not an element of the relation. If it is a reflexive, 2, 2 is required, and here 3 is coming as an element in the domain. So 2 is an element of the set A, but 2, 2 is not an element. Also 3 is another element in A, but 3, 3 is not an element in R. Therefore, this relation, it is not reflexive. Not reflexive. Why it is not reflexive? If it is reflexive, the domain elements 1, 2, 3, it should come as the y element also. That means 1, 1 is required, but it is existing. But 2, 2 and 3, 3 is not existing. Such cases, it is not reflexive. Now here we are going to check the second property. Now itself we can say it is not an equivalence relation. If it is an equivalence relation, it should be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. But for the understanding, we are going to check is it symmetric or not. Symmetric means if we consider one of the element 2, 3. Why do I consider 2, 3? These are different elements. Here 1, 1 already reverse order also 1, 1. If it is symmetric, you select this non-similar elements 2, 3. Here 2, 3 is an element in the set R. Such cases 3, 2 also need to be present in the relation. But here 3, 2 is not existing. So it is not existing means not symmetric. Okay. Not only this case, one more element is there. 3, 5 is an element. Such cases 5, 3 is also required to be an element in the set relation. But it is not there, so it is not symmetric. It is not required to write all. If it is writing, no problem. Just to understand, I am writing here. Here 3, 5 is a element in R, but 5, 3 is not an element in R. Therefore, it is not symmetric. Now, third test, it is transitive. Transitive. In the case of transitivity, we have to consider transitiveness. That means here 1, 1. Again, this y as coming as the x element. Anywhere it is starts with 1, we can check it, but it is not starting. Here 2, 3 is there. Here 3, 5 is there. So here ends with 3. Here start with 3. Such cases, it is transferring. That means here y value transferred, here it is x value. Such cases we are going to check transitivity. Other cases it is not required to check. So here we are going to check 2, 3 and 3, 5 element of R. Such cases only we will check. Which cases? One of the y element, if it come as the x element. Such cases, those two pairs will be selected, ordered pairs. And we are going to check here 2 is there, here 5 is there. 2, 5 should be an element in R. But you look here 2, 5 is not existing. So it is not an element. So it is not a transitive also. So we have to understand equivalence relation means this all need to be satisfied. It should be reflexive, it should be symmetric, it should be transitive. But here nothing is satisfied, therefore it is not an equivalence relation. It is not an equivalence relation. So this is one of the important question you can expect for your upcoming 12th board examination. As it is considered, we have to understand these three relations, then it will be very easy to check. So if you cannot understand, just to watch it again, it may help you to get a thorough knowledge. Thank you.